Howdy y'all, Paul Dexter here. Well, we just came back from JetBuilt User Summit in Texas and just had a fantastic time. I even got my swag on, and we had brisket, we had beers, we had conversation, and we learned a lot about JetBuilt. We learned a lot about what you like in JetBuilt and what you would look for in JetBuilt. I think a lot of you guys went home with new possibilities within JetBuilt, new things you can do, ideas, whether it was from me, from Matthew, or from other folks at the summit, new relationships made. So thanks so much for attending, those of you who came to Texas and those of you who came in on the remote experience. And we are looking forward to Summit 2021. Perhaps Miami, perhaps Los Angeles, perhaps Seattle, who knows where. But anyway, we're looking forward to that. Let's get on to the JetBuilt update. There's some great things to talk about. The biggest thing right now is the JetbuiltGO app now has project platform. So you can interact, you can build projects, edit projects, propose projects, send them to your clients, all of those things within the JetbuiltGO app on your phone. I'm using my phone, so I can't show it to you right now, but with the power of editing, here it is. Inside JetbuiltGO, you can toggle between funnel, project, and install. When you're in project, you get the project list. You can easily search for a project, get into a project, you see the overview page. This navigation takes you to all the other areas of the project. We get into the builder. You can click into an item, edit that item, analyze your margins, get into the reports area, and render a new report and send it to the client. So we've given you just about everything that the web can do on the phone. There's a few things we held back just to keep it clean and organized, some power features that we feel might be a little too power for phone, but just about everything is there. So enjoy this. Those of you at the summit had a sneak peek. You've been using it for the last week and a half, but now it is live for everyone, so enjoy that. Another big thing is our permissions area. We've been asked many times to get more granular on our permissions. We added, I think, one new one a couple of weeks ago, and then the last couple of days we've added a handful more. So take a look at these permissions. Notice we've split up even things like the admin. There's no longer just a single admin area. That's kind of broken up into a few sections, so you can really have more control at the management level, but also at the mid-level. Certain users can do certain things with products and not others, and so forth. So more granularity within the permissions. But then here's the cool thing is that we've added these presets across the top. So now if you're bringing someone onto your team who maybe is in marketing and they just need to design reports, just click marketing and we select the proper permission. You can still edit from there if you want them to do other things. So your executives, your sales folks, things like of that nature. And now we are beginning work on time tracking for install application. This is something that will be released late in the fall, and we are really looking forward to this. You guys have asked for a long time on install application. It's been the top request is to be able to do time tracking. The techs in the field can start their day, the clock can be running, they can take their breaks and so forth, and we can be keeping track of that time. What's more important is how it interacts with what you sold for your project, so we can begin to show you some overs and unders and projections for how you're doing on labor for each project. We are working on this now, so look forward to that in the next few months. So that might be the shortest video I've ever done. For those of you in the US, have a fantastic Labor Day weekend. I'm looking forward to the same with my family. Until next time.